Marcus Bodycoding Live. New Footwork every day. Ching. Remember, Marcus Bodycoding Live. New Footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do no excuses. Are you ready? See the move first. Tap complicado 2. Let's go. Again. Let's do it together. No excuses. Let's go. I'll switch the cameras. Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We cross. We tap. We tap. We cross. We tap. We tap. Again. Cross. Tap. Tap. Cross. Tap. Tap. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, tap, tap, 5, tap, tap. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, this is the move. Tap complicado 2. And I remind you, this is Marcus Body Coding. We code the moves, not just moves, universal moves. Why universal? Ching. So you can use them in any style of dance that you want. Salsa, by the way, on 1 and on 2. Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, hip hop, whatever style that you want. But wait, you still here? Amazing! Let's do another practice. Let's go. Now, I want to see you. Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. Yeah, staring in the mirror. But let's do the extra practice. Are you ready? Let's go. Starting with the left. Let's go. We cross. We tap. We tap. Cross to the right. Tap. Tap. Cross. Tap. Tap. Cross. Tap. Tap. Again. Cross. Tap. Tap. Cross. Tap. Tap. Cross. Tap. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Doesn't matter. We can do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the move. Amazing. Amazing. I cannot believe that you stayed with me till now here in lovely Iceland with the sunrise. Amazing. Well, I remind you, again, these are universal moves. You can use them in any style of dance that you want. Yes, any style of dance. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, whatever style that you want. And since you stayed till now, I have a bonus for you. You can practice with me this move, tap, complicado 2, in the studio for free anytime you want. Yes. How do you do that? You can check the link above, below, or wherever it might be. And if you're on Instagram, you can check the link in my bio. Go to my YouTube channel and search for Tap Complicado 2 or Tap C2. Yeah, that's the name of the move. And do this move today. Yes, today. Why today? Because tomorrow there's no footwork. No footwork every day. Marcus Bodycoding Live. So, see you tomorrow or see you tomorrow? Let's see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Have a good day.